Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my unboxing of my Boxycharm base box for September. So, yeah, super casual today, hair down. I did do a makeup look. You'll see that tomorrow, so when that goes up. Anyway, this month's I did subscribe for premium, but that hasn't arrived yet, but it is coming, so I'll be doing a video on that when that comes. But anyway, this is the base box, and this month's theme is glam vibes only. And the first thing that's listed is, I got to pick this, so this is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acerola cherry. I don't know, never heard of that before. This is what it looks like. I'm excited to use that. That retails for $45. That's from the brand Pharmacy. I don't know if I said that, but I did now. Next is the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. Now, I had a Alamar Cosmetics palette before, but I ended up trading it away to someone else. But anyway, I haven't opened it yet, but that's what it looks like. I haven't seen anybody else that I watch get this, so I'm excited that I got something different from them. Hold on, let me open this. It's taped shut. Hold on. Okay, I got the tape off. That's what the cover looks like. It's pretty packaging. It's called Spanglish. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, hello. I'll try not to blind you. Look at that. That's pretty. I need to do that. I'm so excited. I want to do a look with this one soon. Like ASAP. That is pretty. Look at that purples. Wow. I like that one. It's a lot prettier than their last one, I think. I don't know how to say any of these names. So the Gayo? I like Gayo. Look at that. It's pretty. I want to swatch it. And I want to swatch the other purple. These are all, no, there's some mattes. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. Okay. I'll swatch the others in another video. But that's cool. The fun thing I find about long hair is I can do a hair flip thing. I always envied all the girls that had long hair when I had short hair, because they were like, whatever, and they can do their hair flip thing. I just thought that, I don't know. I'm a weirdo. What can I say? The Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette retails for $28. That's not bad. Next is the Hank and Henry Lip Love Luxe Lipstick. I don't think I've ever had anything from Hank and Henry. This is the Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Lust. It's one of those push buttons. Ooh. I think everybody else has been getting like reds, but mine is like a, I don't know what that color would be. Like a dusty rose, maybe? Let's swatch it. Let me see. Ooh, no. It's a pinky nude. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. Yeah, I definitely wear that. That's pretty. And that retails for $18. It says, I want to read this to you guys. Let's see. Love your lips with Lip Love Luxe lipstick. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that, that dissolves as it is applied to your lips and is encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. Okay. Nice. Then I got the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in black. Yeah. And this retails for $24. So that's cool. I've never tried any Laura Geller mascara. So that's cool. And the last thing I got is the Billion Dollar Beauty Charcoal Beauty Sponge. And it says, this charcoal infused beauty sponge provides a perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter. So, let's see what this little guy looks like. I don't think I've seen anybody get this. I don't remember anyway. Okay, it's your basic teardrop shaped beauty sponge. So that's cool. I can always use another beauty sponge. That means I don't have to buy another one. I have one. So that's cool. That was a pretty good base box. You know, some people that I watched, they weren't too happy with their stuff, but I'm like, it's basically a mystery, so, you know. I'm happy with mine. I'm really liking that palette. Where did I put it? That's really pretty. It was more pretty than the first one we got in Boxycharm. I don't think they came out with any others, but I could be mistaken. But that Reina del Caribe palette, it's pretty, but I had colors similar, so I decided not to keep it. But this one, I'm really drawn to all the colors in, so I'll be keeping everything in this box. So I'm excited. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm unboxings. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you'd like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.